These are the Handy Heater Hand Warmers Ultra. They show up so compact and sleek. Right away, you feel that they're built for real winter. I cannot wait to use these. I am obsessed with hand warmers this season. They heat up so fast. Okay, that's the on button, and then those are the temperature settings. I have it on high right now. It is so warm. It feels so good. You can slip these into pockets or gloves without bulking up. Look at they're magnetized, so you could put them in your bag. These have up to 7 hours of heat, and you have the quick USB recharge. It comes with a cord, standard plug, and then you have handles if you want to install those. Here's a bag that you can store them in. Why I like these, the 3 heat settings, and it gets hot fast. The highest level hits a strong, satisfying warmth, and your hands do not feel like they're burning. The magnets lets you slap both warmers together for extra heat or to keep them separated for double coverage. I love the compact size, perfect for outdoor events, dog walks, games, anything to keep those little hands warm. But do I recommend these? You know it. These hand warmers are the kind of gadget that once you try them, you're going to wonder how you survive winter without them. I love the long battery life. I mean, come on, 7 hours. I love the fast recharge and the shockingly strong heat output. These are incredible. They're useful and they're portable. These are a no-brainer. If you want a rechargeable hand warmer that actually stays warm, is lightweight, and keeps you comfy outdoors, these earn their spot in your winter kit. Highly, highly recommend. This is a sponsored review. The product was provided for testing.